Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the podcast. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sarah. We're really happy you're here today.
Today's episode is for beginners. We're talking about something very important.
Yes, how to introduce yourself in English.
This is for your first conversations. Simple, real, useful.
You can use this English at work, at school, or when you meet someone new.
Before we start, quick reminder. If you like learning English with us,
Please like, follow, or subscribe. It really helps us continue.
okay, get ready to listen, repeat, and practice.
You're not late, you're not bad at English, you're learning, and that's great.
Let's start very easy. First word, hello.
You can say hello or hi.
Repeat with us. Hello. Hi.
Good job. Very simple.
Now let's make it a little longer. You can say, hello. Nice to meet you.
Again, nice to meet you.
This is very common English. People use it every day.
Now, let's say your name.
You can say, my name is Alex.
Or, I'm Sarah.
Both are correct.
Listen first. Hello, my name is Sarah.
Hello, I'm Alex.
Now you try. Say your name. Great job. You're doing well already.
Now, how do we ask someone's name?
Very easy. What's your name?
Repeat. What's your name?
Good. You can also say, may I know your name?
But for beginners, what's your name is perfect.
Let's listen to a short conversation.
Listen first. Don't repeat yet. Hi, I'm Alex. What's your name?
Hello, Alex. My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
That's it. Very simple, very real.
Now, let's say it together.
Repeat after us.
Hi, I'm Alex.
Hello, Alex. My name is Sarah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Amazing. That's real English.
Now, let's add one more sentence.
Where are you from?
You can say, I'm from Nepal. I'm from India. I'm from Brazil.
Repeat. I'm from.
Good job. This sentence is very useful.
Listen again.
Hi, I'm Sarah. What's your name?
I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Perfect. Very natural English.
Now let's add one small detail.
For example, your job or your daily life.
You can say, I'm a student, or I'm a teacher. I work in an office.
Simple sentence. No stress.
Example, I'm a student. I study English.
Nice and clear. Listen first.
Hi, I'm Alex. I'm from Canada. I'm a teacher.
Nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Sarah. I'm a student.
That's it. You don't need long sentences.
Short English is good English.
Okay, your turn. Let's practice step by step.
Say hello.
Say your name.
Say where you're from.
Say one simple thing about you.
Wow, you just introduced yourself in English.
Good job. You're improving already.
Let's quickly recap today's key phrases.
Repeat if you can.
Hello. Hi.
My name is. I'm.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
I'm from.
I'm a student. I'm a teacher.
These sentences are powerful. Use them again and again.
Practice makes progress, not perfect.
Now we have a fun question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what's the first thing you do in the morning?
For example, my quick breakfast is a banana.
Or, I check my phone.
We'd love to read your answers.
You're not alone. We're learning together.
Thanks for listening.
See you in the next episode. Keep practicing English.